Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. It means a lot. In today's video we'll explain if you have a Kia Optima and you're trying to find the relay, guys, for the blower motor fan. Stay with us, we'll explain where that relay is located. If the blower motor fan doesn't work, it could be multiple things such as fuse, relay, it could be a bad resistor, it could be a bad fan, and we'll have videos, guys, how to fix each one of those problems. Now we'll also explain how to test the relay, so make sure you stay until the end and we'll cover that as well. These guys should work on Kia Optima, guys, generation 2010 all the way to 2015. Some years may differ, but most of them will be that way. Also, let me tell you quick, if you have that Kia Optima, guys, we'll have more than 200 free electrical and diagnostic videos on this channel you're watching right now. It's called Electrical Car Repair Live, and we'll be having more than 300 mechanical videos taking the whole engine apart, transmission apart on our YouTube channel, World Mechanics, guys. Okay, World Mechanics right here. Check it out. Very helpful information will be shared there, everything from start to finish, videos that will teach you how to practically rebuild your engine. In addition, if you need to buy any parts, tools, anything like that, we'll share the link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Why we make all these videos? Because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. Let's start on it now. These guys, specifically 2013 Kia Optima, you can see with a 2.4 GDI engine, but even if you have a different engine procedure, maybe very similar. This is, guys, the fuse box. You have one notch here, one there, squish, pull straight up. On the back side you can see the fuses printed and the relays as well. What we did, we took a picture, zoomed it a little bit so we can clearly show you where the relays and the fuses are located. So if you look at it, guys, okay, you have one relay that's called blower. Okay, right here, that's the blower motor fan relay. Okay, that relay right here on the very left side towards the driver's side. Okay, that relay, guys. Get adjustable pliers with hands. You might be able to remove it, but there is limited room, so the pliers make your life much easier, guys. Okay, so you can easily grab it and pull it out. Now, if you guys need to buy a new one, we will put the link in the description of the video below where you can buy one for a really good price and quick shipping as well. Another thing, if you need to see how to test that relay, okay, so you know for sure if it's good or bad, we have a video that explains that, and we'll put the link in the description of the video below for your convenience, so please check it out, guys. All that will be there so you can see how to test the relay. It doesn't take much and you will be able to know for sure if it's a good or bad relay for your blower motor fan on Kia Optima. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.